But we have come to the mountain Zion, to the city of the living God, the heavenly Jerusalem. You have come to thousands upon thousands of angels in a joyful assembly, as we have assembled here, in the interest of thousands and thousands of learners and people who've got the interest of what we are doing. To the church of the firstborn, whose names are written in heaven, you have come to God, the judges of all, the spirit of the righteous made perfect, to Jesus, the mediator of a new covenant, and to the sprinkled blood that speaks a better word than the blood of Abel. Bazalwane, leli verse, in my interpretation, ngilibonela more relevant kule nhlanganiso yethu today yokuthi we came here representing the interest of abantu more than our interest. Kunabantu here abavuke around 4 to make it a point that babamba isikhathi because barespecta abantu abangekho la today. But konke loku siyakwenza, we are going to be judged by other people for their reasons. But above that, we've got a person who will judge us, knowing that we've done good for his people. We are shepherds here, as we are here. We are shepherds leading abantwana noma i-gospel kaNkulunkulu as efuna ukufulfilla ukuchinja impilo zabantu. Tina, as seated here, we are angels of change. We have to make it a point that we change the lives and the thinking of other people. So with those few verse words, I just want to say you are mostly welcome to this gathering. Ingathi kungangena engqondweni zethu yokuthi lokho esikwenzayo noma sizokwenza here today hayi ukuthi sizenzela thina. I know ukuthi we've got that thinking and understanding yokuthi vele sizokwenzela abantu kwangathi kungagxila enhlizweni zethu ukuthi singapheli amandla even whatever comes as an obstacle before us, but we hold heads and we jump together over that hurdle, still move it together and distract spirit songabi positive, and also distract spirit songabi united in our diversity. Ngithi ke ngalawo mazwi bazalwane, this workshop is officially opened. May I also take this opportunity to welcome you all into this workshop. Siyabonga nje kakhulu. I know ukuthi ngisazolithola ithuba lokubonga egcineni, but I felt also it's important that I also thank you even now as we open this congregation now. Ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu nje for your presence. Siyabonga dela konke ukuthi nibe part of this program. If beningekho nina le program le noma le workshop esizoyenza today ibingeke ibe impumelelo, but because of